female infertility. It is a very big topic and there are many causes that leads to a female being infertile, because there are many organs that are present inside a female, like many gynecological problems can happen, and there are problems associated with the organs that can happen that can lead to infertility. So coming to the ovaries first and foremost, so we have ovarian problems which can lead to female infertility. Now both the things are not good. If you have low egg reserve, that is also not good. If you have more egg reserve, like you are having a AMH level very high, say around 7-8, you are having PCOD, that is also not good. In both the causes, it can lead to female infertility. Now coming to and these eggs, they lead to endometriosis also. You have endometritic cyst, you have many problems related to that. These also lead to infertility. Endometritic cyst also leads to infertility, because subsequently it has got many N problems which leads to further infertility. It directly doesn't cause infertility, but indirectly it causes infertility. Secondly, coming to the fallopian tubes. If the fallopian tubes are blocked, obviously the eggs are not picked up. If the eggs are not picked up, when they are released, there is no fertilization. So a patient who has got a fallopian tube blocked definitely will land for an IVF cycle, and so it will cause infertility. No conception, no fertilization, no conception. Now coming to the uterus. So we are coming to the uterus. In the uterus, if there is some congenital defect, like maybe you are having two uterus, maybe you are having a septum in the uterus, maybe there is something that is obliterating your cavity, or there is there is no everything is looking fine, but still there are problems, there are immunological defects in the uterus. So these are some of the causes of female infertility. Plus there are medical disorders also that leads to female infertility, like high thyroid levels, high prolactin levels. All these things lead to female infertility. So every female that is coming to a clinic, whenever they are trying to plan a conception, it's not necessary that they come to us when they don't have a child. It's very important for all females to come whenever they are getting married to plan a conception, because we need to do their ovarian aging, we need to do all their basic tests, and we need to put them at ease. So okay, look, everything is fine, now you can take your time. And if everything is not fine, we need to tell them that these are the causes and these need to be rectified by these ways, whether it be medical way, whether it be surgical way, whether it be ART, like assisted reproductive techniques. It's not necessary that everybody who is coming here lands up for an ART. So it's very essential first and foremost to rule out all the female factors before we touch the patient, before we start the treatment of the patient. So investigation, diagnosis is a very important modality that has to be followed. We care about you.